Hey Rockville Center students, this is Laura Collin, your friendly BOCES professional developer, and I just wanted to show you how you can access Google Classroom on a computer. You know you can do this on your iPad, and when you're on your iPad, you have to go to the Google Classroom app. Never access it through Google Chrome on your iPad or Safari on your iPad. This is what I'm showing you right now. You would do only if you're on a computer. That's a Mac computer or any kind of PC computer. This is how you would get to your Google Chrome. Now first you'd have to log in. So in order to log in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to google.com, and sometimes it even feels like you're in google.com. But if you don't see this sign in, just go to google.com and you'll see it in the upper right corner. I click it, and then your email is your Rockville Center email. So my email would be so you know it's your first initial, last name. Mine's a little different because it's a sample account. Your first initial, your last name, .student@rvcschools.org, but some of you have a number in yours as well. Maybe we'll make another video that shows how to find that on your iPad if you don't know it. Okay, so once you're here, you will see your waffle in the upper right-hand corner. If I click it, I go to Classroom. Another way to do it is just to type classroom.google.com. That's all you need is this part right here. If you type classroom.google.com, you'll get here. And now you're in your class. So let's see, I have one called Practice Classroom that I use. And all you need to do is click on your classroom. I always suggest you go through classwork. And this is the class I use just to play around with stuff. So that's why it's a little disorganized. And you see your topics and your assignments. So if you want to get into Google Classroom, that's the way you do it. And then over here from your waffle, you could also go to Docs to create a Google Doc. You could go to Slides to create a Google Slide, Sheets to create a Google Sheets, which is the same as or similar to Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and then in Google Drive is where your everything is organized. But I'm going to leave it at that for this video. So that is how you access Google Classroom from a computer. Remember, I'm going to stress it. Do not access Google Classroom on an iPad from a browser. So that means don't go to Safari, don't go to Chrome. You must use the separate apps when you're in Google Classroom to access. I'm sorry, when you're on your iPad, you have to use Google Classroom app, Google Docs app, Google Slides app, Google Drive app. You get the idea. So on a computer, you go to your browser and make sure you're going to Chrome. You don't want to use Safari or Firefox or Edge or Internet Explorer. You want to use Google Chrome. So even if you don't have it, maybe you can install it on your computer before you do that. That's how it's going to work best. Okay, hope this was helpful.